Are you looking for a natural way to help you be healthier in unexpected ways? Have you ever come across a fruit that could significantly transform your well-being? Today, we delve into the world of soursop, also known as Graviola, and the remarkable benefits its tea offers. Stay tuned till the end to uncover how this exotic fruit can be a game-changer for your health. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking any medication. What is soursop graviola? Soursop, scientifically known as Annona muricata, is a fruit that has intrigued the medical community due to its potent health benefits. Often found in tropical regions like the Americas, Africa, and Southeast Asia, this green, spiky fruit has a sweet and tangy flavor. Its leaves are commonly used to make a therapeutic tea that is packed with bioactive compounds, offering a range of health benefits. In addition to its notable use in making therapeutic tea, soursop fruit itself is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins C and B, as well as essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients contribute to the overall health-boosting properties of the fruit, making it not only beneficial for medicinal purposes but also for maintaining everyday health and wellness. The fruit's pulp is versatile and can be consumed directly or used in beverages, desserts, and smoothies, further broadening its appeal as a dietary supplement. Scientific studies on soursop. Numerous scientific studies have explored the health impacts of soursop. Research published on platforms like PubMed highlights its antioxidant properties, which help combat free radicals in the body. Studies also indicate potential anti-cancer properties due to the presence of acetogenins, known compounds for their ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. However, it is crucial to note that while these findings are promising, the research is still in its early stages. Most studies have been conducted in vitro or on animals, and there is a significant need for comprehensive clinical trials to confirm these effects in humans. Until more robust data is available, the anti-cancer benefits of soursop should be viewed as potential rather than definitive. Top 10 Soursop Tea Health Benefits. As we delve into the specific benefits of soursop tea, it's important to recognize how its unique composition contributes to overall health. This herbal tea, derived from the leaves of the soursop tree, encapsulates a variety of compounds that confer numerous medicinal advantages. From enhancing immune function to providing natural pain relief, each benefit is backed by both traditional use and scientific research. Here are the top 10 health benefits of soursop tea that make it a standout choice for those seeking natural wellness solutions. Moreover, the infusion of soursop leaves used to make the tea is often high in several other immune-boosting micronutrients such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. These elements are vital for the proper functioning of the immune system as they help in the development and maintenance of immune cells, thereby fortifying the body's natural defense mechanisms against infections. This makes soursop tea a potential natural aid for people managing diabetes or at risk of the condition, although integrating it into a treatment plan should always be done under medical supervision. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, soursop tea is also rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for the digestive system. Regular consumption of soursop tea can thus contribute to overall digestive wellness and prevent common gastrointestinal issues. This makes it particularly beneficial for those suffering from nerve-related pain conditions. By calming the nervous system, soursop tea can help alleviate symptoms of pain and discomfort, offering a natural way to improve quality of life for those affected by chronic pain. Additionally, soursop tea contains antioxidants that protect the cardiovascular system by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol in the blood vessels. Oxidized cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks and stroke. Regular consumption of Soursop tea, with its antioxidant properties, can therefore help maintain healthy blood vessels and improve overall heart health. Moreover, Soursop tea contains B vitamins, particularly thiamine, which is essential for converting food into energy that the body can use. This makes it an excellent alternative for those seeking a natural energy boost. By supporting the body's metabolic processes, Soursop tea helps to increase energy levels steadily throughout the day without the jitters or crash often associated with high caffeine beverages. This natural content of tryptophan in Soursop can enhance the production of serotonin in the brain, which is often referred to as the feel-good hormone. The effectiveness of Soursop tea in combating microbial infections extends to its potential role in oral health. Compounds in Soursop tea have been studied for their efficacy in fighting pathogens that cause dental plaque, tooth decay, and gum disease. Regular rinsing or drinking of this tea could therefore contribute to healthier gums and teeth by reducing the bacterial load in the mouth, complementing daily dental care routines. Furthermore, Soursop tea is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps keep the skin firm and elastic. Soursop tea, side effects. While Soursop tea offers numerous health benefits, it is not free from potential side effects. Overconsumption can lead to neurological effects similar to Parkinson's disease due to high concentrations of inonosin, a neurotoxin found in the fruit. It is also advised for pregnant women to avoid Soursop due to potential complications. Moreover, Soursop tea may interact with certain medications, particularly those involving blood pressure and diabetes management, due to its potent effects on blood sugar and blood pressure levels. Individuals on such medications should consult with a healthcare provider before adding Soursop tea to their regimen to avoid possible adverse interactions that could affect the efficacy of their treatments. Frequently asked questions. Can I drink Soursop tea every day? Moderation is key. Daily consumption is not recommended due to potential neurotoxic effects. Additionally, because Soursop tea contains compounds that can have potent biological effects, daily consumption might disrupt your body's natural processes, such as enzyme activity and metabolic functions. Those considering Soursop tea for regular use should aim for balanced consumption, possibly limiting intake to a few times a week instead of daily, to mitigate any potential negative health impacts. How often should I drink Soursop tea? Consuming this tea a few times a week is considered safe for most people. It's also beneficial to cycle the consumption of Soursop tea with periods of discontinuation. This approach helps prevent any buildup of the compounds that could potentially lead to adverse effects over time. By alternating weeks of drinking Soursop tea with weeks without it, consumers can enjoy the health benefits while minimizing the risk of any potential negative side effects associated with continuous long-term use. Can I drink Soursop tea before bed? Yes, its calming properties can help improve sleep quality. Additionally, the natural compounds in Soursop tea, such as tryptophan, aid in the production of serotonin and melatonin, which are crucial for regulating sleep cycles. Drinking Soursop tea a few hours before bedtime can help enhance the body's natural preparation for sleep, leading to a more restful and uninterrupted night's rest. This makes it an excellent choice for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. Why is Soursop illegal in the U.S.? Soursop is not illegal in the U.S. However, its importation in certain forms or from specific regions may be restricted due to quality control. You can find Soursop as a fruit, in juice form, or as a tea in many health food stores and markets, particularly those specializing in tropical produce. However, there might be some confusion due to its seeds and potential health claims. Soursop seeds contain a neurotoxin that can lead to neurodegenerative diseases when consumed in large quantities, which is why consuming the seeds is discouraged. Moreover, there has been scrutiny and regulatory attention regarding some claims made about Soursop's health benefits, particularly those related to its alleged anti-cancer properties. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) regulates and sometimes issues warnings about products that make unproven health claims, which could potentially mislead consumers. We've uncovered the astonishing health benefits and the potential side effects of Soursop tea. If you found this video informative and helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful health tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated. For detailed information and more on healthy living, check out the link in our bio. What are your thoughts on Soursop tea? Have you tried it before? Let us know in the comments below.